I eat breakfast at 7. I eat breakfast at 7. I arrive home at night. I arrive home at night. And I shop on Saturday. I shop on Saturday. I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10. I go to a restaurant on Friday. I go to a restaurant on Friday. I cook dinner at 6:30. I cook dinner at 6:30. I work on Monday. I work on Monday. I wake up at 6. I'm wake up at 6. I take the bus in the morning. I take the bus in the morning. I buy food at noon. I buy food at noon. I am busy in the afternoon. I am busy in the afternoon. I meet my friend at 7. I meet my friend at 7. I feel tired in the evening. I feel tired in the evening. I stay home in winter. I stay home in winter. I drive to work at 7:30. I drive to work at 7:30. I go home at night. I go home at night. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning.
I study English in the afternoon. I study English in the afternoon.
I travel on my birthday. I travel on my birthday. I stay home on holidays. I stay home on holidays. I leave home at 8. I leave home at 8. I relax in the evening. I relax in the evening. Oh well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Share and subscribe for more videos.